If you're affected by chronic pain, CBD may provide the hope and remedy you've been searching for. That's right, CBD, derived from cannabis, yet separate from the more well-known THC, could offer relief without the intoxicating effects associated with traditional marijuana. Prescription medications sometimes provide relief, but that relief often comes at a high cost, both financially and physically. Opioids, one of the more common options for the treatment of pain, are often accompanied by side effects ranging from minor digestive issues and headaches to a high potential for addiction or even overdose. CBD may offer a better way. Free from the side effects and chance of addiction and/or overdose, CBD interacts with the body's endocannabinoid system, activating cannabinoid receptors in the brain, central nervous system, and the rest of the body to reduce neuronal firing that often leads to the sensation of pain. Furthermore, CBD reduces inflammation throughout the body, another common source of pain and underlying cause for a variety of ailments. Those who found pain relief from the use of CBD include people suffering from spinal pain, multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia, non-specific chronic pain, cancer, migraines, and more. Best of all, CBD can easily be incorporated into your daily lifestyle for maintenance for ongoing pain relief through edibles, topical lotions and tinctures, or inhaled via vaporizer for rapid relief of painful flare-ups. To learn more about treating chronic pain without the risks of prescription medications, visit cbdcentral.com today.